The Internet of Things Training IoT Training by TONEX. The Internet of Things Training, IoT Training by TONEX. The Internet of Things Training Course, IoT Training covers what the IoT is about, innovation patterns, arrangements and union. Figure out how to function with building connected devices. IoT Training Course participants will find out about the progression of the IoT markets, innovation, patterns, arranging, outline and the meeting of stages and administrations, with an uncommon spotlight on the item plan, engineering and usage. This is an essential IoT course covering the innovations behind the Internet of Things and associated gadgets. Course content. What is the Internet of Things, IoT? Concepts and definitions of the Internet of Things, IoT. History of IoT. Applications. IoT standards. Requirements. Functionalists and structure. IoT enabling technologies. IoT architecture. Major component of IoT. Hardware, sensors, systems on a chip. Firmware, device drivers, application software, connectivity, cloud, and security. Role of wired and wireless communication. IoT communication and networking protocols. IoT services and applications. Big data and analytics. Security. Cloud computing and the Internet of Things. Semantic Web 3.0 standard for M2M and IoT. IoT platforms. Challenges of adapting the concepts. IEEE IoT. It is predicted that 50 to 100 billion things will be electronically connected by the year 2020. This Internet of Things, IoT, will fuel technology innovation by creating the means for machines to communicate many different types of information with one another. With all objects in the world connected, lives will be transformed. But the success of IoT depends strongly on standardization, which provides interoperability, compatibility, reliability, and effective operations on a global scale. Learn more about the Internet of Things training, IoT Training by TONEX.com.